So this no spark problem is becoming a bit more of a pain in the butt than I thought. I've tested Mr. Coil and I've tested Mr. Distributor, and they both seem to be fine, at least with a multimeter. I've even tried with test light, so when you try to turn the ignition, it'll flash once. So from what I've been researching, apparently inside the electronic ignition on the distributor, there's a little ring that sometimes gets jammed. I mean, it's pretty much brand spanking, but I'm going to have a look. So I'm going to pull that off, or just the cap off, and see if I can just move anything inside there and see if that's the problem. If not, I'm a bit more lost than I thought. I even tested power this way and that way with an LED just in case the multimeter was faulty or whatever, and it all lights up. So definitely getting power. It's either a grounding issue, like i.e. this grounding plate apparently on the back of here can be a bit of a pain in the arse, or it's this thing. So let's pull the cap off and have a look in there real quick. Fastest starting Mini in the West, listen to this. No spark though. Damn. Yeah, still stumped. I have tried a lot of different things, different test lights. I've tried 2 different other coils I've got, although it might be that this has to be a specialist one or whatever. It seems that it just refuses to get spark. It's not the plugs, it's not the leads because they're new. I've tried even swapping the leads, no joy. I'm guessing it's going to be the distributor. You know, they both light up and stuff. I even tried adding a jumper wire, as you just seen, or a jumper kit even, to the battery, and it turns over like a machine, but still no spark. So the only thing it can be is wiring, which is most likely at the moment, even though there's no fuses blown, or I've fried something in this distributor. So next time around, I'm going to swap the distributor back to the old-fashioned one. I'm going to have to buy another capo because I have no idea what I've done with the other one, and just see if it makes a difference. If it doesn't, then we know it's wiring. It has to be wiring. Ugh. Any ideas? Let me know. Said they all light up with LED, even with extra power, no joy. So yeah, let me know in the comment section. Help me out.